Hello, hi, welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're gonna discuss about the activity on job position in Odoo 19 recruitment module. So let's dive into the recruitment module. And from here, we can just move on to the job position. So here you can find by job position, and which means as you just get into the module, you will be in job position itself, and you can just choose any of the job position over here. So I would like to consider the job position of Abigail, and afterwards here, as you just drag down, under the shadow, we have the activity and we can just set activity on the job position, and we have different options like to do email, call, meeting, to stuff, document, signature and all. So if we want to just have a self checking with the progress, we can just have a log with the activity. So I would like to just do an activity for the job position to check the progress, and you can click on save so that that will be added under the chatter, and here you can find the activity is being added over here. So this is a new feature in Odoo 19 recruitment, that is adding of the activity on the job position. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.